You think you know how to run a small business. Think again. There's an AI tool out there that can save you up to 80% on admin tasks. It's called Notion AI. And if you're not using it, you're missing out big time. Does it work? Yes, consistently. In my testing, I've found that AI tools can automate up to 80% of repetitive admin tasks. That means more time to focus on what really matters growing your business. Let's say you spend an hour every day answering customer emails. With Notion AI, you can train the tool on your past emails and let it auto-write responses to new ones. It'll save you about 50 minutes per day. Over a year, that's over 180 hours saved. Almost a month of work. The takeaway: don't ignore AI tools if you want to stay competitive. Notion AI is just the tip of the iceberg. There are tons of other AI tools out there that can help small businesses streamline their operations. Here are a few more you need to know about. RAIN, formerly SEP 2025, a tool that uses AI to create marketing content like social media posts and ad copy. Saner AI helps with market research by analyzing customer reviews and sentiment online. Otter AI transcribes and analyzes audio from meetings and webinars to surface insights. Discover is another must-have for small businesses. This AI search engine finds the best open-source alternatives to expensive tools like ChatGPT and Claude. Don't get left behind by ignoring them. There are AI tools for every business need now. You're thinking, I don't know anything about AI. Good news, you can learn in 18 minutes with free training online. Many cost less than $50/month to start. Here's how. Try Notion AI free and auto-write some emails or docs too. Use Discover to find open-source alternatives to pricey software 3. Watch YouTube for free tutorials on the basics of AI. Getting started doesn't have to be hard or expensive. So that's it, the game-changing tool every small business needs. Notion AI. It's transforming how businesses operate, and you don't want to get left behind.